Pollo a la plancha is a dish you'll see in a lot of Spanish-influenced cultures, but today I'm going to show you how my family has been making it since before I was born. My name is Dennis, and today I'm going to show you how to make Cuban pollo a la plancha.
First, we need to start by making a marinade. To a large bowl, add the juice of 2 limes. Afterwards, we need the juice of a bitter orange.
However, since bitter oranges can be hard to find, we're going to add some orange juice and some grapefruit juice. This won't be the same, but it'll get us pretty close.
Next, we need spices, cumin, oregano, black pepper, and lots of garlic.
Don't be afraid of garlic, it's flavor.
Add some kosher salt, mix, and set aside. Next, we need to butterfly 4 chicken breasts. Cut down the middle and open the breast like a book. Then cover with plastic wrap and pound them to the same thickness, about 1/4 inch thick. If you don't have a meat mallet, you can use the trusty old skillet. Place the chicken into the marinade and make sure it's well coated. Then cover and set aside in the fridge for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to cut an onion into semi-thick rings. Place pressure on top of the onion and make horizontal cuts. If you need help, you can use chopsticks as guides for your knife. Once the chicken is marinated, set a skillet over medium-high heat and add some oil. Remove any excess marinade from the chicken and place it into the skillet to cook. Allow the chicken to brown, and since it's thin, it should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. If you have a thermometer, 165 degrees is the magic number to hit. Once the chicken is cooked, remove from the skillet onto a plate and tent with foil to keep warm. Next, we're going to place our onions into the skillet with a pinch of salt. Cook the onions until they begin to turn brown, but before they become too soft. We still want them to have some bite. Traditionally, this chicken is served with white rice and black beans, but it also works great with a nice salad. Plate your chicken, add the onions over top, then garnish the dish with some fresh cilantro. Most importantly, don't forget to add the all-important lime wedge, which brings an incredible brightness to the dish.
And that's how you make super simple Cuban pollo a la plancha. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in the next one.